Hey there, it's Bridger Hart
and Carson Hart,
co-founders of Hoppn.
We're pitching Infinite Color Search, our Shopify app that allows customers to shop for any specific color.
For decades, shoppers have been stuck with generic color filters like yellow, green, and blue.
A blue color filter can show anything from a light baby blue to a navy blue to a greenish blue or even a more greenish blue.
Actually, let's put this in the green filter.
Color filters are clunky and do little to narrow your search.
With Infinite Color Search, shoppers can pinpoint any specific color and instantly find the closest match within your website.
For this to work, we extract the exact colors directly from your images, and it's fully automated.
These accurate samples unlock new abilities, like multicolor search, a game changer for the industry. But what industry?
Color is universal to the shopping experience. It's critical for fashion, interior design, art, photography, and materials.
As a brand, you get real-time insights into the exact color shoppers are looking to buy. This data helps inspire new colorways that you can add to your collection.
You can install our patent detect in minutes on any Shopify theme, and no coding is necessary.
We're in conversation with some of the largest brands on the planet to license our technology.
With one app, you can align your brand with innovation and drive traffic to your site, whether that's through social media or a live in-store demo.
To learn more,
visit hoppn.com.